integers, properties of integers and subtraction. Now, first of all, closure properties. Closure property. Closure property, for example, let us take an example. Consider the integer 3 and minus 4. 3 and minus 4. 3 minus of minus 4. That equal to 3 plus 4. That equal to 7. An integer. An integer. An integer. Next one, minus 5 minus 9. That equal to minus 5 minus 9. That equal to minus 14. An integer. An integer. An integer. Okay. For any integers a and b, a minus b is also an integer. Integers are closer under subtraction. Integer are closer. And subtraction. For any two integer, a and b, that equal to a minus b, a minus b, also an integer, also an integer, an integer. Once again, let us take some example. 3 minus of minus 4 equal to 3 plus 4, that equal to 7. An integer minus 5 minus 9, that equal to minus 5 minus 9, that equal to minus 4. An integer. Integer are closure property under subtraction. For any two integers a and b, a minus b also an integer. Second one, commutative property. Commutative property. Commutative property. Let us, for example, minus 5 and minus 7. So, minus 5 minus 7. That equal to minus 5 minus 7 minus 12. Next one, minus plus 7 minus of minus 5. That equal to 7 minus plus 5. That equal to 12. So, this 2 is not, both are not same. Both are not same. Both are not same. Therefore, minus 5 minus 12 plus 12 not are same. That equal to minus 5 minus 7 is not equal to 7 minus of minus 5. So, for any integer are not associative property. Associative property. Associative property. Therefore, for any two integer a and b, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. A minus b. For example, minus 5 minus 7. Minus 5 minus 7 minus 12. 7 minus of minus 5. That equal to 7 plus 5. That equals 12. Both are not same. This is a negative integer. This is a positive integer. So look at say minus 5 minus 7 is not equal to 7 minus of minus 5. Integer are not associated associative property. Associative property. For example, 5, 3 and minus 2. 5 minus 3 and minus 2. That equal to 5 minus 3 and minus 2. Thus this value equal to 5 minus 3. That equal to 2 into minus 2. That equal to minus 4. That equal to 2 to 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2. That equal to 2 minus 2. Sorry, 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. That equal to 0. Next, 5 minus of 5 minus of 3. 5 minus 5 into minus 3 minus 2. That equal to 5 minus of 5 minus of 5 minus of minus 6. That equal to 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. That equal to 5 minus of minus 6. That equal to 5 plus 6. That equal to 11. 0 and 11. 0 and 11. Minus 3. 5 minus of minus 3 minus 2. That equal to 5 minus 6. 5 plus 6. That equal to 11. 0, 11. Are two different values are not same. So 5 minus 3 minus 2 is not equal to 5 minus 3 minus 2. 5 minus 3 minus 2. Integer are not associative. Integer are not associative. Associative. For any example, for any three integers, A, B and C, that equal to A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. A minus B minus C. This is associative property. So this properties are integers and subtraction. Next, properties of integers and addition. And properties of integers under division. Properties of integers under division. First of all, from under division. Plus closer. Next, commutative. Associative, division by 1, division by 0. First one, closure property. Closure property. Let us take an example. Consider the integers 4 and minus 8. Divisible. 4 divided by minus 8. That equal to 4 by minus 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are minus 1 by 2. Not an integer. Next, minus 8 divided by 4. That equal to minus 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. That equal to an integer. Minus 2 an integer. that equal to a minus b divided by a divided by b. A divided by b or not multiplied, that equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 2, that equal to 4 divided by minus 8 is not equal to minus 8 divided by 4. So that equal to this value a minus b, not closer, not closer, not closer. Next, second one, as commutative property. Commutative property. Commutative property. Let us take commutative property 6 divided by minus 3. 6 divided by minus 3, that equal to 6 by minus 3. 3 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6. That equal to minus 2. Next, minus 3 divided by 6. Minus 3 by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. That equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. That equal to R naught same. Minus 2 minus 1 by 2. R naught same. That equal to commutative property 6 divided by minus 3 is not equal to minus 3 divided by 6. A minus b is not equal to b minus a. Not closer, not commutative. Commutative. Next, associative. Third one, associative. Associative. Associative property. Associative property. Now consider, take any three integers. Minus 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. Divided by 2. That equal to 8 divided by 4. 8 by 4. Minus 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. That equal to minus 2. So minus 2 divided by 2. That equal to minus 1. Next, let us take minus 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. That equal to minus 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. That equal to 2. That equal to 8 minus 8 by 2 ones are 2 fours are. That equal to minus 4. So this value therefore minus 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 is not equal to minus 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 is not equal. So this value a minus a divided by b, a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. A divided by b, a divided by b is not divided by c is not equal to a divided by b divided by c. Three integers. A divided by b divided by c divided by a divided by b divided by c is not equal to a divided by b divided by c. This is associative property. Associative property. Next, division by 1. Fourth one, divisible or division. Division by 1. Division. So 5 divided by 1, that equal to 5. minus 12 divided by 1, that equal to minus 12. 5 minus 12, therefore a divided by 1, that equal to a. A divided by 1, that equal to a. So a divided by 1, that equal to a. Last one, division by 0. Division by 0. Fifth one, division by 0. So this value 12 divided by 0, that equal to anything is 0 not, that equal to not defined, not defined, that equal to minus 50 is not equal to 0, not defined, not defined. A divided by 0 is not defined, not defined, that equal to, for any integer non-zero is integer a divided by 0 is not defined, not defined. So this is properties of AND division. Next one, exercise number 6. Fill in the following blanks. Exercise number 6. Fill in the following blanks. 1. Minus 25 is divided by dash, that equal to 25. Second one, dash divided by 1, that equal to minus 49. Third one, 50 divided by 0, that equal to dash. Fourth one, 0 divided by 1, that equal to dash. Let us say minus 25 is divided by dash equal to 25. This result is 25 plus 25. This is a minus 25. So minus 25. But this is a minus integer. This is a positive integer. So minus integer and a minus integer. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus minus plus. That equal to next one. This is dash divided by 1, that equal to minus 49. So this is minus 49 1. 49 divided by 1, that equal to minus 49. So 50 is divided by 0. 50 is divided by 0. Not defined. Next one, 0 divided by 1, that equal to 0. So this is a exercise first point. Second one,